kaya nga ibibenta ko sa inyo. But for Peter, no, I do not know that man. Peter disconnected himself to the Lord, not just once but 3 times. But what is wonderful is that Judas gave up on himself. Peter did not. And in our Christian life, it's not so much the falling, but the rising. May magandang movie po na dapat papanoorin niyo po. The title is The Kite Runner. Napanood niyo na? It's a wonderful movie. Nung nagbigay po ako ng isang talk sa government officials, The Kite Runner. Alam niyo po ang tagline ng The Kite Runner? There is a way to be good again. There is a way to be good again. Na kahit po ilang beses tayong nadapa sa mga pagkakataon po na talagang we were really crushed to the ground because of our sins, always believe there is a way to be good again. No matter what. At ito po ang gustong ipaabot ng Panginoon sa atin. No wonder it's so nice to think that the first Pope committed a grave sin. Saint Augustine was a man of the flesh. Sabi nga nila, di ba, there is no saint without a past, nor a sinner without a future. Paul persecuted the Christians. Si San Agustin po, anong sinabi ni Saint Augustine? Yung famous line ni Saint Augustine, Lord, change me, but not now. Sinabi niya. Gusto kong bumait, ngunit di kong magawa. Lord, change me, pero wag muna ngayon. Bukas na lang. And bukas he will pray the same prayer. Diba? And the tension is there. But one thing wonderful is that God's heart is greater than us. That no sin of ours could be greater than God's mercy. No transgressions could surpass His compassion. Ang isa sa mga meaningful retreat ko po was with Bishop Bacani when he was our retreat master. And I could not forget his story when there was a cathedral in Europe na kung saan napakaganda po ng mga stained glasses. At naglindol at talagang nasira po ito. And they were about to throw away the glasses. But an artist came and told them, no, leave it to me. And what the artist did surprised them all. Why? Sapagkat yung mga broken glasses po, pinagtagpi-tagpi niya. And he formed them into a mosaic. And he formed the image of the Blessed Mother of the Apostles. And if you look at it from a distance, it could be much beautiful than before. Ganon yung buhay natin. Hindi, not so much in the many times that we have fallen, but the times that we rose from the apathy, from our misery, and faced the new day because we believe that God is there. Nawa po'y maging makahulugan ang ating paglalakbay at makikita